Hi guys, today we are learning how to fix screen sharing issues on Google Meet. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. From here, we can fix permission-related issues that often block screen sharing. Now scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. This section controls microphone, screen, and app permissions. If permissions are blocked, Google Meet screen sharing may not work properly. So we need to check everything carefully here. Now look for the microphone or app permissions section. Scroll down and find Google Meet in the app list. Make sure all required permissions are enabled. If anything is disabled, turn it on immediately. Now check if screen recording or screen sharing permission is allowed. If it is OFF, enable it so Google Meet can share your screen properly. This is one of the most important steps for fixing the issue. After enabling, try again in the app. If the issue still continues, open the App Store or Play Store. Search for Google Meet in the search bar. Check if an update is available for the app. Outdated versions often cause screen sharing bugs. Finally, if nothing works, restart your phone. Restarting clears temporary glitches and refreshes system functions. After restarting, open Google Meet again and test screen sharing. Most of the time, this step fixes the issue completely. And that's how you can easily fix can't share screen on Google Meet step by step. These simple methods usually solve the problem without any technical tools. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment for more easy guides like this.